How to make money with CJ Affiliate. Want to earn money online through affiliate marketing? Here's how to make money with CJ Affiliate. First, sign up for a CJ Affiliate account and get approved. Once inside, you'll have access to hundreds of well-known brands you can promote. Next, choose offers that fit a specific niche like finance, fitness, software, or shopping. Focus on products your audience will actually care about. CJ Affiliate gives you unique tracking links. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Now you need traffic. You can promote your links through a blog, YouTube channel, social media, or email marketing. Reviews, tutorials, and comparison content work especially well. The key is to build trust. Don't just drop links, show value, explain how the product helps, and be honest in your recommendations. Over time, you can scale by promoting multiple brands and creating more content around what works. Start small, stay consistent, and build from there. CJ Affiliate can become a powerful source of passive income if you stick with it.